We at Draychem realised that in the print world of today, the demands of higher running speeds, more colours, and customers demanding litho quality print at minimal cost on lower grade substrate make it more essential than ever to maintain Anilox volume and condition. That's why we have developed a range of chemicals and services to fulfill those needs. One service Draychem provide is the deep cleaning of Anilox rolls using a bicarbonate of soda blasting machine. This process can take place either on or off press. The process works by compressed air blasting granular bicarbonate of soda onto the face of the Anilox roll, which causes a reaction at the head, forcing the powder into the cell and removing the ink. A vacuum pipe collects the spent powder and returns it back to the collection bag on the machine. The motorized head transverses across the spinning roll, ensuring a deep and even clean. Many presses today have the facility to have more than one Anilox roll per unit, allowing them to be interchanged with each other for different screen counts and volumes. Where Anilox rolls are easily removed from the press, Draychem have the capability to clean the rolls off press using our spinning jig. A designated area is set up close enough to the press to allow easy transportation of the rolls, but far enough away from the press to let production continue with minimal disruption. Although our technicians are willing to help as much as they can, once the blasting machine is set into place and the jigs are set, it is the responsibility of the customer to transport and lift the rolls onto the jigs, using either a forklift truck or suitable hydraulic lifting device. Once the roll is out of the press and is placed onto the spinning jigs, the process of cleaning can begin. Once the rolls are in place on the spinning jigs, the process of cleaning can begin. The first part of the cleaning process is a visual inspection will be made of the roll to check for any damage. A microscope will then be placed on the roll to check for wear and to check the general condition of the roll in its current state. After the visual inspection has been made, the next part of the process is to take a volume checker of the roll using a liquid drawdown. This method has been tried and tested over many years and is still the preferred method of most Anilox manufacturers as a reliable method for testing volume. Once this has been done, the head is placed parallel to the roll and the cleaning process can begin. Once the roll has been checked for damage and the current volume of the roll has been taken, the technician will set the blaster into motion. The roll is turning at this point and the head placed against the roll made parallel to transverse across the roll in an even fashion. This once again ensures that the roll is cleaned evenly. After each pass of the blaster is complete, the roll is once again visually checked to ensure that it's as clean as it possibly can be. Simply wiping the roll with a watery rag dissolves the powder, which is completely soluble. The technician will visually inspect the roll with a microscope. If the technician is not happy that the roll is in perfect condition or as good a condition as it could be regarding cleanliness, the whole operation will be repeated until we are completely sure that the roll has achieved its maximum possible volume. Once the technician is happy that the roll is visually cleaned, he will then perform another liquid drawdown volume check. This will give us the final volume of the roll after the clean. The final part of the process is that the technician will produce a report on each and every roll cleaned during the visit. The report will include before volumes, after cleaning volumes, along with a report on any cell damage, cell wear, including pictures taken through the microscope. This report is then emailed to the customer along with any advice we may give regarding wear and damage. If you think Draychem can help you, please contact us on www.draychem.co.uk